thank you so much for tuning in to another video. My name is Ronnie. I am with noteadoc. I am from the Sunshine State of Florida. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a rainy day, and of course we're in hurricane season, and I'm not actually out there working right about now with signings. So I wanted to take this opportunity to come on really brief, I'm not going to be long, just to talk a little bit about my upcoming notary workshop that is coming in September. So I know the announcement has gone out. The flyers have been out now for a couple of weeks. We have quite a few registered, and some are literally waiting probably a little bit to the end of August to register, making sure that their calendars are clear. But I am just wanting to let you know that don't wait. Get your ticket because seats are limited. So here's what we got going on. It's a notary workshop that basically is going to help you with your business. If you are wanting to start a new career, if you are wanting to boost, increase, as they say, your earning potentials, then this workshop is definitely for you. Now, if you're wanting to increase your skills, which I am getting a lot of calls and emails about, I'm a new notary, I want to be a notary signing agent, I don't know all the ins and outs. Most of them are saying I have anxiety, I'm scared, a little bit of fear. This workshop here is going to be just for you. Now, we have a lot of new notaries. We have some that are just getting into the grinds and grits of becoming a notary signing agent. They are having a hard time basically maneuvering from the 9-to-5 job to matriculating into half-time, full-time as a notary signing agent. They don't know what companies to sign up with. They don't even know what a signing company is. They don't know what a platform is. And guess what? This workshop is designed for you too. So let me say this. I'm not going to go over all of the highlights of the workshop, but I will tell you a few. Now, most people say, how do you have a successful signing? I am going to be that speaker for that particular subject. We're going to talk about how to have a successful signing. What do you need to do from the start to the finish line for it to be successful? We're also going to talk about what's the #1 thing here in Florida and probably every other state out of the 50. We're going to talk about those state laws and rules and requirements. Now, let me say this. This book right here, this book, you will live and die by it, okay? This is the primer that I received from the NNA, National Notary Association. I actually have 2 or 3 of them because I was a notary some 15, 20 years ago, and this is the newest edition. So that book there, we're going to talk a little bit about that. We're going to talk about the requirements with this particular book. We're going to talk about the study guide, because even though once you pass your exam, you probably won't even go through this anymore. But if you come across an issue, a problem, then you may want to go back and pull this book out. We're also going to talk a little bit about the loan document process. Not a lot, but I know it's going to come up because most people are like, do I really have to know what every document is about? So we're going to talk a little bit about that process as well. And of course, we're going to talk a little bit about the how-to guide for notaries. This is very important. And of course, there are a lot of manuals and books out there. I have quite a few, but my most important one is the primer. So this is very important. So we're going to talk about a lot of things. We're going to talk about, again, boosting your income, ways in which you can boost your income. If you are doing this full time, you can do loan signings, you can do permit runner, you can do apostille, you can do general notary work, you can be a wedding officiant. There is a number of things. You can do photo inspections where you go out and you take photos of commercial properties, residential properties. There is a lot of other things that you can do to increase, boost, enhance your earning potentials. So that is the gist of what I'm going to say right now. Of course, we have a little bit more time before the workshop is, and we're getting ready. We're getting it ready because we're going to have a good time. So someone asked the question, and I'm so glad that you asked. When is this workshop? It is September 21st, 2024, and it's on a Saturday. We're going to start right on time at 10 a.m. It's from 10 a.m. to 1:30-ish because, of course, we're going to have a Q&A session, and that may take us a little bit over time. But we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna build relationships. We're gonna learn a little bit how to market and why is it important, how to network, how it is important, and we're just gonna talk about a whole lot of stuff. But this workshop is designed for you. If you are new, if you are a beginner, if you are intermediate, guess what? It's for you. And if you are a seasoned notary or a seasoned notary signing agent and you're just looking for ways to just have your business just grow, this is for you. Now, if your notary stamp, see, I have this one, but hold on, I'm gonna show you something else. Sorry about that, I'm back. So I have this kind of stamp, but I also have this stamp as well. So I use, one or the other. It's just good to have two, because if this one breaks, I'm still making money. So for those of you who have a stamp and you're not using your stamp, I don't care if you are new or old, this workshop is for you. So that's the gist of this YouTube video right now. There's so much more that I can say that I'm just gonna hold on to, but go ahead, register today. Register today. And let me tell you how you can register. Go to my website, noteadoc.com. That's noteadoc.com. And at the very top of the first home page, you will be able to click on the link that reads Notary Workshop. Click on that, follow the instructions, and you will be able to register and get your seat secured, okay? So if you have any questions, please go to the contact page, send me a personal confidential message, and I promise you that I will get back with you. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is on my contact page. And again, my name is Ronnie. I am excited for this workshop. Purchase your ticket, okay? You will not regret it, okay? We're gonna have fun. Look to see you there, Gainesville, Florida, at the Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott, okay? Take care. Have a great week, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye!